this is Dr. E. Let's talk about being healthy on a budget. Well, first of all, before we jump into that, let's talk about what is healthy. What does healthy mean to you? When you say healthy, what are you talking about? Are you talking about you want more energy? Are you talking about that you would like your cholesterol numbers to be better? Are you talking about you would like more stamina? Are you talking about, I would like to be able to climb a flight of stairs without getting short of breath. I would like to be able to play with my children without getting short of breath. The first thing you have to identify is what being healthy means to you. Now, once you've decided that, then you can talk about how are we going to be healthy on a budget? Does being healthy have to be expensive? And the answer is it does not have to be expensive. So let's talk first of all, we need to eat fruits and vegetables. We know that. We've heard it from our parents all the way to the CDC, and we're kind of tired of hearing it, but it's not going to go away. You've got to eat your fruits and vegetables. So does it have to be fresh and expensive? The answer is no. You can also use frozen foods. Frozen vegetables are usually flash frozen, so they tend to really retain a lot of their nutrients. So you can use them in your soups, you can use them as a saute, you can use them in smoothies. And those are easy ways to get your fruits and vegetables. When we're talking about working out, let's talk about the big guy that nobody wants to do, right? Working out. Do we have to sign up for an ongoing, recurring gym membership where we may or may not show up, and so we spend all this money on it and we're just not showing up? The answer is no. What you need to do is something that you enjoy doing, something that you know you're going to be excited about getting to do, right? So, is that hiking for you? Is it biking for you? Is it skating for you? Is it gardening for you? Do you see the options of fitness? It's not about going to the gym. If you need some weight training, you got a whole bunch of weight going on here in the body. So you can use your body as your own personal weight trainers. You can get inexpensive bands to do some resistance training as well. The point is, get that heart rate up, park a little bit away from the front of the supermarket, right? And so you can get a little bit of steps in. Those are easy ways to get fitness. What about self-care? If you know me, you know that I believe that self-care is a fundamental part of taking care of yourself. So does it mean you have to go to an expensive spa? No, have a spa day at home. Kick your kids and your husband out. You fill up the bathtub with some bubbles, you get your favorite essential oil, you light a candle, for example. You create ambiance and you allow yourself to be healthy. And you know what? You're also giving yourself self-care by eating better and exercising. So look at you practicing self-care already. So those are some simple tips about how you can be healthy on a budget.